way too in love just to fucking let go. Cause we're way too involved just to cut it not.
Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tierra Shavonn, and today I'm going to be doing a keratin mask treatment. Alright, so what I did is I went ahead and washed my hair, and I used the Tierra shampoo. This one is the Moisture Balance line. And I also use the conditioner, which is very hydrating, super moisturizing. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the Pretty in a Minute. It's a keratin deep treatment mask, and it's infused with rosemary extract, vitamin E, and keratin. And it's also paraben free. So I'm just gonna show you basically how I'm gonna apply this product. So I'm gonna take my water bottle and I'm just gonna spray the hair down because it's kind of drying just a little bit. So
purchase your tracks today.
Confession, I ended up putting some in my hair already, just a little bit. And then I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and show this part on camera. But what you wanna do is liberally apply this to your hair and comb it out, get all the kinks out, let it get on every single strand, and you want to leave it on for 15 minutes. So that's what I'm gonna go and do. The middle of your hair is so stubborn. Like I have 3 different textures, and to be honest, I'm so ready to get a relaxer, guys. I just can't handle this hair. It's not bad, like it's not super difficult to manage, but I just need it to be easier for me to do. But anyway, I'm gonna stop talking and go ahead and apply this conditioner to my hair. I'm gonna start at the ends first. And you know, since my hair is a little bit more dense, you're gonna use more product.
Purchase your tracks today.
Make sure you get the middle. All those little stubborn areas throughout your hair, you just wanna make sure that product gets to each of those pieces. And just work it through down to the ends. And then I'm gonna take my wet brush and start at the bottom and work my way up to the top. And I'm just gonna grab it in sections just to make it easier so that I have less breakage. I always do the middle last because this, I swear, it's just so much freaking hair. Alright, so now that the product is applied all over my hair, I'm gonna let this sit for 15 minutes. Alright, so I'm back and my hair has been rinsed out from the conditioner, and I'm just using a towel to blot it, get some of that water out before I go ahead and start blow drying my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and start sectioning off my hair before I start blow drying. Alright, so I did one here, one here. I'm gonna split the back into 2 as well. Now before I blow dry any section, I always brush that hair out because I need it to be tangle free before I start putting any heat to it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply this Bumble and Bumble. Can you guys see in the camera this Bumble and Bumble? It's a Hairdresser's Invisible Oil, and what it does is it softens, silkens, tames, defrizzes, detangles, and protects against heat and UV damage. This stuff is really, really good. My hair texture, you know, just the way my hair is, if I put too much oil in my hair or too many like moisturizing creams, it will weigh my hair down. It takes pretty much nothing to weigh my hair down. So using this right here definitely helps. So I'm just gonna use 2 pumps back here. It's super light, super light. I'm just gonna start at the bottom and just rake my hair. To get it all through this section. And this will not leave your hair greasy at all, I promise you. So whatever's left, if there's any like residue, I just put it on like other sections of my hair, just so it doesn't go to waste. But again, it will not leave your hair greasy at all.
Purchase your tracks today.
So my 2 back sections, my 2 back sections have been blow dried and clipped away. I'm moving up to the front sections now. And so when I get up here, because my hair, my hair is more fine in the front of my hair. It's more fine in the front of my hair, so I don't have to go in with as much product. So what I'm gonna do is I used 2 pumps in the first section in the back. I used 3 pumps in the middle section in the back because it's a lot thicker. And what I'm gonna do is only use 1 pump of oil in the front, because again, this hair in the front of my head is a lot more, it's a bit more fine. It's not as dense as the back of my hair. So I'm just gonna take 1 pump. I'm gonna brush it. And this is already like, as you can see, the brush is going right through this because it's already detangled. I'm gonna split this here so it doesn't cause me problems.
Purchase your tracks today.
Alright, so this is sectioned. It has the protectant and it's been combed out. Brushed out.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Alright, as you can see, the front of my hair is silky smooth, nice and straight. This is perfect. If the rest of my hair could blow dry and straighten as this side did so easily, like as the front of my hair did so easily, me doing my hair would not even be a problem. But the back of my hair, honey, I can't. I can't. It's just too much work. Alright, as I did with the other sections, I'm gonna go ahead, brush this out and clip it away. This is the home run. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead, take a pump, start at the ends. Go ahead and brush her out.
Purchase your tracks today.
Blow dry. So my hair is fully blow dried and it's sectioned off into clips. Now I'm gonna go ahead and straighten it, but the straightener I'm gonna use today is not my normal straightener. I usually use the Pro Silk, what's it called? Hydro Silk, something like that. I'll show you in a minute. But this one is from Pretty in a Minute, and it's a 2-inch Keratin Smart Flat Iron, and it's exclusive 100% blend of titanium and ceramic. So this is supposed to be really good, and it's supposed to be super effective, along with the Keratin Deep Mask Treatment that I used earlier. So it looks like this. Packaging looks like this.
Purchase your tracks today.
And it's really cute. I seen someone demo this, and that's why I bought it. So I just want to see how well it does for my hair.
Purchase your tracks today.
We'll see in a minute. So they're nice and flat. I could see it giving the hair some good tension, so hopefully it should get bone straight the way I like my hair. I love that this cord is super long. To be honest with you, this is like a plus because you never know how far away a chair is going to be from whatever station you're at. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and turn these on. All right. I honestly love the look of these, and I just hope they work really, really well. All right, so I just went ahead and turned these on, and this one ranges from $290 all the way to $450, which is great. So for someone who has super fine hair, you're gonna wanna go lower on the temperature scale, and then obviously someone with thick hair, very dense, that $450 is going to be good if you need really high heat. But I don't think I'm going to use the highest setting for my hair. I'm probably going to go down to about 410 just to see how well it works on 410. If I don't see the best results, I'll probably put it at like 430. So while I'm letting this heat up, I'm gonna go ahead and release my first section. Make sure it's fully dry. Make sure the ends are not wet or anything. All right, so just a little pro tip for you. To get your hair really straight all over, what you wanna do is go in with small sections. Small parting sections. You don't want to make the sections too big because then you're not heating every strand. You want to go in with like 1/4 inch size sections to maybe 1/2 inch size sections, depending on how dense your hair is. Okay, so if your hair is thinner, you can bump it up to like 1/2 inch, but if it's a bit more dense, that means that you have more strands per square inch or however that goes. And so you want to make sure that you're parting it small enough to get every single strand. So back of my hair is a lot thicker.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
And until next time, I will see you in my next video.